Let me explain this in a simple way. This is not an AI caller. This is AI operations staff. Imagine you had about 10 really solid people working for your service business. One finds new leads automatically. One calls those leads and talks to them. One answers every inbound call. One calls people back when a call is missed. One follows up on quotes by calling. One calls past customers to offer maintenance, checkups, renewals, or upgrades, and books the work. One replies to texts and emails when it helps. One handles reviews. One keeps your business visible online. One watches what's booked, what's pending, and what's getting ignored. One checks inventory and orders or signals missing items. So here's the short version. It doesn't just answer phones. It finds leads, calls them, follows up, sells, confirms, and keeps going, start to finish. Nothing has to be triggered by you. The business signals trigger it. And the most important part, it's unlimited. No per-minute pricing, no usage caps, no fear of success when things start working. You don't run ads. You don't increase marketing spend. It works the demand you already have, the calls, the leads, the customers you're already paying for. And when you add a new service or availability opens up or a seasonal job comes around, you don't have to post. You don't have to message people. You don't have to remind anyone. The right people already hear from you because the system already knows who to reach out to. You don't need dashboards. You don't manage software. You talk to it like staff. You just call like a normal call. It recognizes your call as the owner's call. You can ask, "Are we busy this week? Who hasn't responded to an estimate? Did we miss any calls today?" And it answers you the way a real office manager would. That's the difference. This is already running in real businesses. Early adopters are using it daily, not testing it, depending on it. It's patent pending, not as a legal badge, but because the way it listens, decides, and acts across the business is fundamentally different from tools, bots, or scripts. This isn't a feature. It's not a plugin. It's not another system. This is the foundation layer of the business, the part that makes sure money doesn't leak when you're busy, tired, or off the clock. Most businesses start simple. Calls answered, jobs booked, missed calls followed up. That starts at $249 per month for unlimited concurrent calls. You don't have to turn everything on at once. You add more only when it makes sense for your business. Now, I want to be clear about something. You don't need a demo. You've already seen what this does. You've already heard how it works. And you don't need to settle for an AI receptionist that just answers calls and charges you more when it works. These days, that's not enough anymore. No contracts, no long setup. You're up and running fast, because once you understand it, you already know. The real value isn't more calls. It's not more sales. It's getting your time back, your headspace back, your evenings back, and finally feeling like the business is working with you, not waiting on you. This isn't an AI receptionist. It's your AI business manager, backed by a full virtual office team.